there. So this is the style 2 of the version 2 of my poinsettia. So I'm gonna use the same pattern that I used for the first style. So again, this is just version 2. The only difference is that this is more intricate than the first one. And then not really intricate, but it has more components. Anyway, the difference. So they have the same first pattern. The only difference is that one has a slit and one has not. And then you have your second petal, and then you have your base. And then of course your centers, which I'm gonna keep set aside. So what we need to do first is okay, so we need since we have a hexagon base, so we will be needing 6 for each kind of petal. So 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. I'm gonna do so this would be the end look for the petal, so an accordion type of folding. So what we will do is that we'll fold this is basically the same with the first style, but the arrangement will be different. So facing you should be the right, and then center, fold 90 degrees or perpendicular or whatever, and then follow that fold. So I realize you don't really have to be uniform in like the folding. It won't really matter unless there was someone who will really like look on it, but it doesn't really matter. It will kind of look the same. And then there's also beauty in non-uniformity, char. I'm kidding. So yep. So be careful. I kind of tore one of the petals a bit. So yep, that's it. So do it for all of the petals. So I pre-did it, kind of did it a while ago. This one has the slit, and we're gonna close this later. I actually have 12 of those. For me, I said this on the first version. So this has, if you look, like it's not uniform on each side. It's kind of like an irregular like balance. So I want to make sure that I have everything facing the same direction. Let's do the first layer first. So grab 6 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm gonna set aside the first half first, or the second half. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna attach this one here. You can so you have the choice here actually, if you just want to attach it similar to this one. So you can do just that. You don't have to close this one, you just need to attach it. Me, I think I want to close it a little, just a little, so that it would have a little bit of angle. And then let's try to attach it. So you see there's kind of angle. So let's do that for everything. So let's try attaching it. Oh, I'm loving it already. Like, this is like an outline. I love it. Um, so let's do the first layer. I love it. Okay, so let's do the second layer. So set this aside first. So we're gonna close this a bit. So let's close it again a bit. I'm gonna adjust this one. I really don't like it angled so much. So just a bit. So adjust. The good thing with, since this is on the edge, so this will be covered by your center. So it's okay to have a little more blemish in there, but I just don't like it angled too much. Like, yeah, that would be fine for me. Okay, so not so much angle, okay? So not so much angle, a bit is fine. So you might find, again, I kind of am not liking the angle. The one that is kind of pushing the angle is the like folds of the accordion. So like for me, I would kind of push it down to the folds. So like for this one, to push it down. I might need to adjust on here. I'm just showing you like what I kind of do. So yep, adjusting the slits, the close of the slits. So yep. So a little bit near the center. centers. Clear centers. This is similar to what I did in version 1. So we're gonna you have the option to like fold it on the center first. So we folded that, or actually this might be easier, and then we're actually gonna curl the edges. You can use a pencil, a pen, whatever cylindrical object you have. You don't have to buy, use whatever you have in your home. You can use a paintbrush if you have one, a pen, pencil, even scissors you can use. Yep. And okay, so I folded this already a while ago. Similar, and then fold the edges. Okay, so we're gonna attach it. Yay, and we're done. So this is like the style 2 of my version 2 of Poinsettia. I'm actually gonna grab the first one. So we have the simpler version right here. So this is like half of the papers that I used for this one. So again, this is more intricate because it has 2 layers. This has 2 layer, but it's like, okay, so this is like a combo. It has a pair of petals. This has none. So anyway, so but I like it both since it's using the same design. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. You can find the templates in the link below, or in the comments below, or whatever, what do you call this, description. So, and then again, I'm just gonna plug this. So I have, this is my version 1. What do I call it? No, I call this style 1, style 2. This is my version 1. These are version 2s. This is my version 1. So I believe this is also like 15 to 17 inches. This like yep, same size. This is just much more intricate and full. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Again, like and subscribe, or